how to fix computer keeps freezing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So in order to fix this issue, firstly, open up this PC and right click on the drive C and go to Properties, and after that go to Tools, and here you can see error checking option. Click on check option and click for the scan drive, and this will help to solve their errors in the drive C, and that will help to minimize the computer freezing issue. If this thing does not work, you might be facing this problem because of the Windows update, so make sure that you have updated your Windows frequently, and if you have not, go to Windows and search for Windows Update Settings, and from here make sure that your Windows is updated. And if this still does not work, the next option is to open command as your administrator, and after that type sfc /scan now and hit enter. And after this, your system files will be checked, and if you have any corrupt or bad files, this command will help to solve those files in the system, and your problem of freezing Windows will be solved. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe